I'm John Lyons, and I'm here today with Kurtina Hammerlein of the J Quaglia Law Office. And Kurtina is the solicitor managing the wills and estates practice here at the firm. Good morning, Kurtina.
Good morning, John.
How are you today?
Good.
That's good. Summer's off to a good start?
It is.
Yes, absolutely is. So, Kurtina, can you tell me, before we get into this too far, when should we do a will?
As soon as you have assets to pass on to your loved ones.
Okay. And it's not necessarily when you get married. It's like, when you get your first job, or?
No, it's whenever you have anything that you want to be the one to decide where it goes when you pass away.
Okay. And tell me one of the biggest concerns people have when they come to see you.
That they need to know they have to have their plan in place, that they need to know what they want, that
Right.
they need to know all of their financial situation. But they don't. Our first meeting really is just about me asking some questions about their family situation,
Right.
about what kind of assets they do have, and then starting to develop a plan with them that makes sense for their life.
Okay. And so the hardest thing really is just making the phone call and maybe walking in the door the first time.
Yes, after that, we're supposed to make it easy for you.
Good, good. So then what happens at your first meeting?
So we go through some of their situation, and then we really look to try to develop 3 documents. The first being their will, which is about who's going to do the work and who's going to get your assets when you pass away.
Okay.
And then the other 2 are called powers of attorney. Powers of attorney are really about who's going to step up and help you while you're alive if you're not able to manage your own medical decisions or financial decisions.
And those are 2 very different documents.
Yes. A will definitely is what kicks in when you pass away. Powers of attorney are very important for when you're alive, because we want the right people to step up and do those things for you.
Okay. And what's the one thing that you would like folks to know about coming to meet with you to do a will?
That, like you said, the hardest part really is walking through the door. After that, it's our job to make it easy. We here at J Quaglia have a dedicated team, myself and a law clerk, who do nothing but wills and estates. So this is what we do all day, every day.
Right.
We definitely see a variety of files come through the door in situations. We're happy to help with the very straightforward will that you're giving to your spouse and your children. We certainly have done and can do more complex things, dealing with trusts for spouses or for children who have disabilities, making sure that their assets are managed for them, as well as people with corporations and getting the best tax implications and dealing with farm properties. That certainly is a part of our daily lives as well. And unfortunately, we've dealt with a lot of delicate family situations, where people aren't getting along quite so well.
Right. And this is your specialty. This is what you do. This is wills and estates for you.
Absolutely, every day.
Well, great. Well, thank you very much for joining us, and thank you for joining us for the J Quaglia Law video blog series. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching our video blog. Hope you enjoyed that. The information contained in these blogs is just general, okay? So if you want specific legal advice about your situation, we need you to call the office and meet with one of the lawyers.